So sometimes if you use YouTube Studio, so you can see this text font become very small. So here it's fixed. So you can see these three. You can see here this font is small. So you can see these three dot and press it, and you can see zoom in or zoom out option. Simply you can increase your text or decrease your text. So this is the how you can done it. So another method, I'm going to show you another method. So in this method, simply you have to use your cursor and control. Press your control and use cursor. This is how it's simple. Press your cursor and this is how you can done it. Let me show you the cursor and control keyboard in my. So here, wait a second. So you can see this control and cursor, you can move this and it will automatically zoom in or zoom out. Press control and then use your cursor up and down. So it will from your mouse move your cursor wheel, what we call it, and use control button in your keyboard. Control and your cursor wheel, rotate it and you can see this zoom in zoom out option.